10 Best Seat Covers for 2005 Ford F-150 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Replacement Beige Microfiber F-150 Lariat Driver Seat Cover, 2005 to 2008. Is your F-150's driver seat showing its age? Restore that new car feel with our replacement beige driver seat cover, meticulously designed for 2005 to 2008 F-150 Lariat XL, XLT, STX, and FX4 models. Color code HW/EW. Forget expensive, time-consuming shop repairs. This is your perfect, cost-effective solution. Crafted from high-quality artificial leather, it's incredibly comfortable, breathable, and soft for year-round enjoyment. You'll appreciate its seamless fit, precisely matched to your original factory color and size, ensuring no slipping and perfect compatibility with both heated and power seats. We rigorously test every unit, guaranteeing premium quality and durability. Plus, installation is straightforward with our guides, and maintenance is a breeze. Just a quick wipe keeps it looking pristine. Number 9. Heavy-duty Ford F-150 Front Seat Covers, 2004 to 2008. Tired of worn-out seats? Or just want to keep your Ford F-150's interior looking factory fresh? Our heavy-duty front seat covers for 2004 to 2008 F-150 XL/standard cabs are your ultimate solution. Crafted from premium, thickened Oxford fabric, they deliver superior protection against spills, scratches, and pet damage, all while adding a sleek touch in black, red, or gray. These aren't one-size-fits-all. They're custom designed for your F-150's 40/20/40 split bench with integrated seatbelts, ensuring a flawless fit and full functionality. Installation is a breeze with our guide and maintenance. Simply toss them in the wash. Backed by our 2-year quality guarantee, drive confidently knowing your investment is perfectly protected. Number 8. Amazon's overall pick. Give your beloved 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 the ultimate upgrade it deserves with Amazon's overall pick for front seat covers. Specifically engineered for models with built-in seat belts, these custom-fit covers aren't just protective, they're a seamless extension of your truck. Forget wrestling with ill-fitting designs. Our covers slip on effortlessly, transforming your interior in minutes. You'll appreciate the precision cuts for side impact airbags, power controls, and seat adjusters, ensuring every safety feature and comfort function remains perfectly accessible. Crafted from the same durable material front to back, they offer comprehensive protection with a consistent, premium look. Both driver and passenger seats, including headrests, get this expert treatment. It's the smart, easy way to preserve your F-150's value and style. Number 7. Ford F-150 Lariat Black Leather Driver Seat Cover 2004 to 2008. Is your 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 Lariat's driver seat looking a little worn? It's time for an upgrade that truly restores. This isn't just a slipcover. It's a meticulously crafted replacement sleeve, engineered to factory specifications for a flawless, original fit. You'll love the premium feel of our durable microfiber leather, complete with detailed stitching that instantly elevates your interior and provides maximum driving comfort. We've matched the original fixing methods and size, ensuring a seamless look that cheap covers can't provide, all at a more favorable price without compromising quality. Don't worry about installation. A helpful video makes attaching the clips a breeze. Give your truck the professional refresh it deserves, restoring that new Lariat feel effortlessly. Number 6. 2004 to 2008 F-150 SuperCrew Water-Resistant Leather Seat Covers. Elevate your 2004 to 2008 F-150 SuperCrew's interior with our custom-fit, water-resistant leather seat covers. Experience unparalleled comfort on every journey, thanks to premium faux leather with integrated memory foam, providing luxurious lumbar support for those long drives. Your seats gain ultimate protection against spills, scratches from pets or kids, and everyday wear, all while enhancing your truck's aesthetic. We've ensured full compatibility with your airbags and seat belts, prioritizing safety without compromise. These breathable, scratch-resistant covers keep you cool and are incredibly easy to clean. Installation is tool-free and simple, instantly transforming your truck. Plus, with a robust 10-year warranty, you're investing in lasting quality and peace of mind. Give your F-150 the premium upgrade it deserves. Number 5. Ford F-150 Driver Bottom Seat Cover Kit 04-08. Tired of your 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150's worn driver's seat? Discover the ultimate refresh with our F-150 Driver Bottom Seat Cover Kit. Engineered for a flawless, factory-new fit across FX2, FX4, Lariat, SDX, XL, and XLT models, it meticulously replicates original size and color. Always confirm your VIN for precise color codes like CE, SE, or UE. Crafted from premium, soft microfiber leather, it offers year-round comfort, breathability, and exceptional durability. Forget expensive auto shop repairs. Our kit empowers you with easy DIY installation, supported by helpful video guides. Plus, maintenance is a breeze. A simple wipe keeps it looking pristine. Meticulously quality tested, this cover isn't just an upgrade. It's a smart, effortless way to restore your F-150's interior to its former glory. Drive comfortably, drive confidently. Number 4. F-150 Front Beige Microfiber Leather Replacement Seat Bottoms. Is your F-150's front seat looking a bit tired? Restore that factory-fresh feel with our F-150 Front Beige Microfiber Leather Replacement Seat Bottoms. Perfectly compatible with 2005 to 2008 Ford F-150 Lariat, XL, XLT, SDX, and FX4 models. These bottoms are engineered to flawlessly match your truck's original beige color and size. Crafted from high-quality, breathable microfiber leather, you'll experience year-round comfort and a luxurious, soft touch. Forget expensive professional repairs. Our DIY-friendly design, complete with an installation video guide, makes upgrading easy and saves you time and money. Plus, our rigorous quality checks and a 2-year warranty ensure you receive a reliable, perfect-fitting product. Enjoy the slip-free comfort your truck deserves, a smart, lasting solution for a rejuvenated interior. Number 3. Dark gray cloth seat covers for Ford F-150, 2004 to 2008. Ready to give your Ford F-150's interior the refresh it deserves? Our dark gray cloth seat covers for 2004 to 2008 models offer the perfect blend of rugged durability and understated style. Expertly engineered for a precise fit, these covers include both bottom and back replacements for your front seats, instantly revitalizing your truck's look. We understand quality matters. Our technicians rigorously test the material to ensure it's scratch, abrasion, and stretch resistant, ready to brave all seasons and keep your original seats pristine for years. You'll appreciate the comfortable yet tough feel, designed to last. Plus, installation is stress-free. We provide video guides and dedicated support for any step, guaranteeing a smooth process and lasting satisfaction. Number 2. Ford F-150 2004 to 2008 tan replacement seat covers. Ready to revitalize your Ford F-150's interior? Our tan replacement seat covers for 2004 to 2008 Lariat, XL, XLT, SDX, and FX4 models offer a truly transformative upgrade. Meticulously crafted from premium microfiber leather with elegant detailed stitching, these covers not only elevate your truck's aesthetic, but also provide maximum comfort for every drive. Designed to precise factory specifications, they guarantee a flawless fit, mirroring your original seats for a seamless, high-quality finish at a fraction of the cost. This is a genuine replacement sleeve, not just a cover-up, promising a complete, long-lasting restoration. Plus, with our helpful installation video, refreshing your F-150 is an easy, satisfying DIY project. Give your truck the interior it deserves. Number 1. Ford F-150 Lariat 2004 to 2008 seat covers. Give your beloved F-150 the interior refresh it deserves. If your 2005 to 2008 Ford F-150 Lariat, XL, XLT, SDX, or FX4, Reg Cab, Super Cab, or SuperCrew has seen better days, our premium synthetic leather seat covers are your perfect solution. These aren't one-size-fits-all. We've specifically engineered them for a precise fit on your driver and passenger side bottom seats. Crafted from durable synthetic leather, they instantly elevate your truck's aesthetic, offering a luxurious feel without the high maintenance. Plus, you won't lose functionality. These covers are designed to integrate seamlessly, whether your seats are heated, power adjustable, or both. Enjoy lasting style, comfort, and protection, all tailored specifically for your F-150. So, That sums up my 10 best seat covers for 2005 Ford F-150. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.